The 2009 Taconic State Parkway crash was a traffic collision that occurred shortly after 1:30 p.m. on Sunday, July 26, 2009, on the Taconic State Parkway in the town of Mount Pleasant, near the village of Briarcliff Manor, New York, United States. 8 people were killed when a minivan being driven by 36-year-old Diane Schuler traveled 1.7 miles in the wrong direction on the parkway and collided head-on with an oncoming SUV. Schuler, her daughter and 3 nieces, and the 3 passengers in the oncoming SUV were killed. The crash was the worst fatal motor vehicle accident to occur in Westchester County since July 22, 1934, when a bus accident in Ossining claimed 20 lives. The ensuing investigation into the crash's cause received nationwide attention. Toxicology tests conducted by the medical examiner revealed that Schuler was heavily intoxicated with both alcohol and marijuana at the time of the crash. Her husband, Daniel Schuler, has consistently denied that she used drugs or alcohol excessively and has made multiple national media appearances to defend his late wife and call for further investigation into other possible medical causes for her erratic driving. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.